Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the new iPhone 12s Pro in two new colors, sunset gold and rose gold. Very soon Apple will introduce the new iPhone 12s series. Watch all about the expected new features, the design, the price and the release date here. Please watch the full video content. We are now looking ahead to September when Apple will launch its new smartphone models. The iPhone 12 series will most likely be followed by the iPhone 12s series, although some believe it will be the iPhone 13 series. At least 4 models are expected again, in addition to a mini variant, a basic model. 2 additional advanced Pro models will be announced. It has been known for some time that Apple wants to reduce the differences between the Pro and Pro Max. The iPhone 12s Pro will have a smaller display than the iPhone 12s Pro Max, but in the terms of camera, the two models will probably no longer be inferior to each other. As time goes by, more and more is becoming known about Apple's new flagship products that inspired graphic designer Technizo concept to bring the anticipated iPhone 12s Pro 5G to life in a series of new product renders in which the new Apple phone is shown from all sides. According to the latest report, the new iPhone 12s Mini will be equipped with a 5.4 inches display. The standard model and the iPhone 12s Pro will both have a 6.1 inches screen. The top model will be equipped with a 6.7 inches ProMotion display. New is the 120Hz refresh rate. Thanks to a high refresh rate of the screen, moving images will look much smoother. A high refresh rate also ensures greater operating comfort while scrolling. Both Pro models will most likely have an LTPO display with an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate. In other words, the refresh rate will be automatically adjusted according to the app in use in order to save on energy consumption. Apple seems to want to add a new screen function. The iPhone 12s Pro will probably be equipped with an always-on display for the first time. This way, generally information such as the time and the battery indicator remains visible even when the screen is off. According to the latest report, Apple's new iPhone line coming with a smaller notch. It concerns the black notch at the top of the screen in which the True Depth 3D camera is incorporated. The triple camera of the Apple iPhone 12s Pro is expected to be refreshed, although the layout on the back will look almost identical. The camera system will function better than before. Apple seems to want to use larger sensors which will improve image quality, especially at times when there is a little ambient light available. Due to the larger image sensors, the camera will protrude slightly further camera to the housing. Presumably, a much improved ultra-wide-angle lens f1.8 will also be integrated. This also seems to have an improved night mode. To be able to take beautiful evening night photos, we expect to see the Apple sensor shift stabilization technology. The LiDAR scanner will probably also be present again in order to be able to perform accurate 3D depth measurements. It is an alternative to the 3D TOF camera and the laser autofocus sensor that is used on the many high-end Android smartphones. The new iPhone 12s Pro is expected to be powered by the Apple A15 Bionic SoC, which is backed using the 5nm process. Thanks to the integrated 5G modem, it will also be possible to use the 5G network. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.